you believe in 1 week it's gonna be Plug It In Easter?
I know. I'm so excited for it.
Man, it's gonna be so awesome. We're gonna have
So much. There's gonna be so much going on.
glow in the dark Easter egg hunts,
Dancing.
dancing,
We're gonna have face painting.
face painting.
Oh my gosh. There's just.
Oh, it's gonna be so awesome. You know what though? Also, we're gonna have lots of cool music too.
Oh,
River Rock
definitely.
Band's gonna be there, and we're gonna have
Definitely.
lots of cool songs, and be lots of stuff that River Rock has never seen before.
Never seen before.
Never.
No one has ever seen this before.
Right. So what if
Awesome.
let's see if we can find some music on the radio here
Yeah,
that we
let's
could
see.
possibly use. Hey, man, you can change it if you want to.
Oh, no worries. It's your car. You do what you want.
But you know what though? I wouldn't be against it if you changed it though.
No, I mean neither would I. But I mean, it's whatever. It's just music. So.
Hey, I just met you.